Under fire, unpacking the phrase. Hello to all the passionate English learners out there. Today, we are going to dive deep into a fascinating English idiom, under fire. Just like many idiomatic expressions in English, this one can be a bit confusing if you take it literally. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. When we think of the words under and fire separately, we might imagine something being below flames or perhaps beneath a burning object. But when they come together as a phrase, their meaning changes. Under fire originally referred to a situation in which someone was being shot at with bullets or artillery in a military context. Picture a soldier in the midst of a battlefield, with bullets whizzing past. That soldier is quite literally under fire. Over time, as is the case with many idioms, under fire began to be used in a more figurative sense. When someone says they are under fire, they often mean that they are facing criticism or intense scrutiny from others. It's like they are under attack, but not with actual bullets, instead, with words, criticisms, or challenges. For example, if a CEO makes a controversial decision and then faces a lot of criticism from the media, shareholders, and the public, they might say, "I've been under fire since the announcement." Let's look at some example sentences to see how under fire can be used in everyday English. 1. The politician was under fire for his controversial remarks during the interview. 2. The company has come under fire for its environmental practices. 3. As the team's star player, she often found herself under fire from the media. Understanding idioms like under fire can really elevate your English speaking and comprehension skills. Remember, when someone is under fire, they're not usually in a real battle, they're facing criticism or challenges. We hope this explanation helps you use and understand this phrase with confidence. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.